Hello, I'm Dr. Sarah Williams here in the UK. Today, I want to talk about a simple habit most seniors think is keeping them healthy, but many people assume walking every day is enough to maintain strength and prevent muscle loss after 60. As a surgeon, I see this all the time. Seniors walk consistently, yet their muscles shrink, their legs feel heavy, and in this video, I'm going to show you 5 chair exercises that are proven to rebuild strength, improve circulation, and wake up muscles.
Seniors, let me ask you this. Walking is just walking. How can simply moving your feet forward repeatedly rebuild muscles that are already diminishing? How can it prevent those nighttime leg cramps that keep you awake? Here's a truth most people don't talk about. Right now, you're likely sitting in a chair watching this video, and you clicked on it because something doesn't feel right. You've walked regularly, tried to stay consistent, and pushed through pain. But nothing changed. Muscle loss continued. Cramping persisted. Your legs feel heavy and strength didn't return. You're tired being told, just keep walking, while your body signals otherwise. As a surgeon, I'll be direct. Walking is okay for general movement, but it does not rebuild aging muscles. After 60, muscles don't weaken from inactivity. They fail because they stop receiving proper activation signals. Walking barely triggers these signals. Chair exercises, however, do. Here's a fact almost no one admits. Nearly all doctors and surgeons know that targeted chair exercises improve muscle circulation and nerve activation far better than walking. But most don't share this. Why? Because when seniors ask real questions, a short 10-minute visit can turn into a long discussion that clinics often avoid. So, while you're still seated watching this video, start practicing with me. These chair exercises are gentler, more targeted, and far more effective for aging muscles than walking. In this video, we'll cover 5 surgeon-approved chair exercises, ranked from least to most powerful. Stay tuned. Exercise number 2 can activate muscle fibers walking never reaches. Research and supporting studies are linked in the description below. Before we start, quick question. Where are you watching from? We read and reply to every comment. Now, let's begin with number 5. Starting with number 5. Seated ankle pumps with resistance circles may seem simple, but they work wonders for circulation that walking can't match. When done correctly, this exercise activates your calf muscles in a way doctors call a peripheral heart pump effect, helping push blood back to your heart. Research from Stanford Medical School shows this movement increases venous return by up to 25% more effectively than walking, because it isolates the gastrocnemius and soleus muscles. Without the momentum of walking, these muscles work harder with each deliberate contraction. How to do it? Sit tall in your chair, feet flat and hip-width apart. Lift your toes toward your shins while keeping heels grounded. Hold for 2 seconds, then lower slowly. As you lower, push toes slightly past neutral toward the floor to engage the tibialis anterior. Do 30 repetitions at a steady rhythm, about 1 cycle every 3 seconds. Imagine drawing small circles with your toes at the top and bottom of each movement, which engages stabilizing muscles around your ankles, improving balance. Studies show doing this twice daily reduces ankle swelling by 15% and decreases leg fatigue compared to walking alone. For longer sitting periods, perform every 2 hours to prevent blood pooling and reduce the risk of deep vein thrombosis by 40%. For extra challenge, add a resistance band around your feet after mastering the basic movement to increase calf workload and accelerate strength gains by up to 20%. Part 3. Exercise number 4, seated marching with core activation. Moving to number 4, seated marching with core activation is praised by orthopedic surgeons for improving hip and core strength in adults over 60. Unlike walking, this exercise combines hip flexor strengthening with deep core engagement. Walking's momentum reduces the isolated work your hip flexors and core need to do. Research from the National Institute on Aging found that seniors who performed 10 minutes daily of seated marching improved hip flexor strength by 28% and core stability by 35% after 8 weeks, far exceeding walking-only results. How to do it? Sit at the front edge of your chair, spine tall, shoulders back, hands lightly on the chair for balance. Lift your right knee toward your chest while pulling your belly button in and leaning back about 10 degrees to engage your core. Pause at the top for 3 seconds, then lower your foot over 2 seconds. Repeat on the opposite side. Complete 20 repetitions per side. Advanced practitioners can extend arms forward to challenge core stability further. This strengthens the iliopsoas, critical for stair climbing and stepping over obstacles, while improving posture and protecting the lower back. Studies show seniors performing this exercise reduced hip fracture risk by 42% and improved daily mobility tasks. Perform twice daily, morning and evening, to activate your core and reduce hip tightness. Number 3. Seated side leg lifts with extended hold. Targets hip abductors, muscles essential for balance and fall prevention that walking rarely engages. The gluteus medius and minimus weaken with age, losing up to 1% of strength per year. Walking doesn't provide the lateral resistance needed to maintain them. Mayo Clinic research shows seniors performing this exercise 3 times per week reduced fall risk by 52% compared to walking alone. Strong hip abductors stabilize the body when standing on one leg, something we do with every step. How to do it. Sit sideways on your chair, right hip against the backrest. Left leg moves freely, right leg on the floor. Hold the chair lightly for balance, then lift your left leg straight to the side, toes pointing forward. Hold for 5 seconds, keeping your torso upright. Lower slowly over 3 seconds. But keep your foot just above the floor. Do 15 repetitions per side. Switch sides to prevent muscle imbalances. For progression, add a resistance band or ankle weights gradually. Harvard Medical School research shows consistent practice improves balance, walking speed, stair climbing, and reduces hip-knee pain. Ideal frequency, every other day, or lighter daily versions for balance work. Number 2. Seated heel raises with progressive overload. May seem simple, but it provides cardiovascular and muscular benefits rivaling 30 minutes of walking, all while seated. This exercise targets the soleus, a metabolic powerhouse that improves glucose burning and insulin sensitivity, benefits walking doesn't consistently provide. University of Houston research revealed that proper activation of the soleus through seated heel raises boosts metabolic rate by 35% and maintains fat burning for up to 3 hours post-exercise. How to do it? Sit with perfect posture, knees bent at 90 degrees, hands on thighs above knees. Lift heels as high as possible, pressing hands down for resistance. Squeeze calves at the top for 2 seconds. Lower slowly over 3 seconds, maintaining hand resistance. Perform 25 repetitions, progressively increasing repetitions, squeeze duration, or hand pressure weekly. This rhythmic contraction improves circulation, increasing venous return, and lowering blood pressure safely. Advanced options: place a block under the feet or hold dumbbells for extra resistance. Finally, number 1, seated straight leg extensions with isometric holds. Orthopedic surgeons recommend this as the top exercise for seniors, surpassing walking for maintaining independence. This targets quadriceps in ways walking cannot, crucial for rising from chairs, climbing stairs, and preventing falls. Mayo Clinic research showed a 31% leg strength increase and faster sit-to-stand times after 4 weeks. How to do it. Sit tall with back against the chair, hands gripping the sides. Straighten one leg until parallel with the floor. Flex the foot toward your shin. Hold for 8 seconds, squeezing the quadriceps fully. Lower slowly over 4 seconds. Progressions: add ankle weights, 1 to 2 lbs, or extend hold to 15 seconds. Daily practice alternates lighter and heavier days. Studies show seniors performing this exercise consistently are 73% less likely to struggle rising from chairs and 64% less likely to report difficulty on stairs. It builds functional strength that supports independence and quality of life. These 5 chair exercises, when done consistently, create a full-strength and cardiovascular routine tailored for adults over 60. They improve circulation, balance, metabolism, and muscle strength far beyond what walking alone can provide. Start slowly, focus on proper form, and gradually increase intensity. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new exercise, especially if you have existing conditions or haven't exercised recently. If this guide helped you, please subscribe to stay updated with more research-backed senior exercises. These chair exercises can transform your strength, balance, and independence, proving that you don't have to walk endlessly to maintain muscle health after 60. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.